When you look at fishing communities, they're really rural. A lot of them, there's no other industry. Even like Carteret County, where we have a lot of tourism, tourists leave in the wintertime. Fishermen stay. We fish year round. We're here and we fill in the gap. There's still a lot of families that are 3, 4, 5 generation commercial fishing families, and loss of fishing would destroy a lot of the small fishing communities up and down the coast here.
Warming water temperatures affect every aspect of fish, like growth, reproduction, even the timing of when they migrate. Fisheries in North Carolina are a major source of our revenue, and so if we can understand how climate change is going to affect our coastlines and the people that live on the coastlines, we can be better prepared for the future. So we know that fish are changing their spatial distribution. So as waters warm in the ocean, they tend to move poleward to stay within their preferred temperature range. In my lab, we really want to understand what are those temperatures that they thrive at and what temperatures do they tolerate? What are the highest and lowest that they can withstand? So what we do is we go out into the field and collect fish, and then we do a series of assays where we increase the temperature or decrease the temperature by 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And we look to when they lose their equilibrium, so they kind of just tip over slightly, and then we have a good idea of what their upper and lower temperature limits are. We can plug that into a population model and say, okay, how might temperature affect the reproductive success of that fish? Or how might it affect their growth, things like that. And we can also look at future temperatures, so we can use global climate models and say, this is how much the temperature of the water is expected to change, and this is where we expect the fish to be in the future. Of course, the coast contributes greatly to North Carolina's economy. So we really want to be able to anticipate how that's going to affect the fish and help fishermen respond to that so that they can plan for the future.